Welcome back to our channel, guys. Again, I'm Jesse.
And you don't know what says your girl Whitney.
First and foremost, we want to thank all you guys. We've reached 100 subscribers in less than a week. So if you haven't already, subscribe, continue to like and share. Today's video is going to be a
Smash or pass.
She picked 7 people. I picked 7 people. I picked 7 females. She picked. So wait, yeah. You know me, man. You know what
I picked 7 females. You picked 7 males, and we gonna each do a smash or pass for everyone. It's either a smash or a pass. You know.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So the people we chose are it's anybody. It's no selected groups. We got actors, singers, anybody famous. You know, most likely people we know. So. And as always, ladies first.
I'm going first, y'all. All right. The first person on my list is Kelly Rowland.
Kelly Rowland? Kelly Rowland. Let me see a picture of Kelly Rowland again. I know she light skinned. I know she light skinned, but
Kelly Rowland, okay.
And I know she a singer.
No, she not. She dark skinned. Yeah. Kelly Rowland dark skinned. How you don't remember Kelly Rowland?
Kelly Rowland. Boom. Come on now.
Smash?
Yeah.
Why? Why would you smash her?
And she cute.
Cause she cute. Nothing else.
And she rich.
Oh, okay. Whatever, gold digger. All right, your turn.
All right. So, your first person is going to be. Hold on. Idris Elba.
Smash up.
Why?
Smash up Idris. How are you? Him body good and him look good. I want to see you. See that people. Smash.
Okay. All right.
No question another one day.
Okay.
How are you?
Okay.
And the girls them sugar that's.
All right. Cool.
All right.
Here you go.
The next one is Grace Hamilton, otherwise known as Spice. Good up, Spice.
That's a hard one.
Syria.
Spice, wow, that's a hard one, boy.
You know, love the boom, 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 boom. You know, love that something there.
Yeah, I think she
done broke you up.
That'd be a little hard to handle. I don't know.
Oh, what y'all trying to say?
I still would though. I attempt everything I got. Everything I got.
No, sir.
So that she should be a little hard to handle, but
All right, your turn. Come.
All right, your second person is gonna be my favorite actor, Michael J. White.
I don't know. Him body look nice enough, but I don't know if I like him. Me da pass for that one day. I don't know about that one day. Him body good, but I don't know. I don't really like him like that. So, pass that one day.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
All right. The next one is Missy Elliott.
Ooh. She cool and all, but I mean, I like her music. I love her music, but I think she too I don't know. I won't be able to do it. One, she like old as dust. But her music is I love her music though. She a beast and she can dance. She dope, but I don't know. I think she's too masculine for me. I think she try to dominate me, and I don't like being dominated. I'm good.
Whatever. Okay.
Nope.
Come, your turn.
Right, yours. Bring it to the owner, Dexter Daps.
I love Dexter, but me I go pass because I love not too much nastiness. So pass on Dexter. But I love you still Dexter. Nobody take it too hard.
He's a Jamaican artist, dancehall.
I love your Dexter, but I couldn't do it. Sorry. The things that made me up, no. Sorry. Can't do it. My turn. The next one is Tika Sumter.
Okay, you gotta show me that one.
Tika, you remember Tika?
Oh.
From If Love Knew Is Wrong. What is her name? The Haves and the Haves Not.
Yeah, Haves and Haves
Yep.
Okay, you can't go wrong with that one. Definitely.
So you just gonna smash up everybody, so?
I mean,
Eh?
definitely her. Yeah. She pretty. And she's a real good actor. Yeah. Definitely.
Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Come,
Without
your
a doubt.
one.
Alright, yours is gonna be my boy, Kali Muscle.
Ew, no. First of all, you know that he's
don't you
not
like
my
the real
type.
big,
No,
though?
he too muscular. He look like he got worms for veins. They too, no. Pass.
She gonna do,
Pass.
do him like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I don't want him too thick.
Alright. I mean, he
You want the bedroom and pop down? I couldn't even sleep at night time. You mad? No.
Alright.
My turn. The next one is Adele. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. You know that song there?
I know.
Uh-huh.
Let me see the picture real quick. Adele.
Come,
This-
talk now.
One night stand.
You rude.
One night stand.
One night stand. Why?
She cute, but she not really my type. But and she can sing.
She's a nice lady.
She is.
I like her.
She's cool. That's
She
why
nice.
I said one night stand. That's it.
Whatever, Jessie.
She's cute. You know, but I don't know.
Come, give me this.
All right. So your next one's gonna be Michael B. Jordan, the guy from Black Panther. Not Black Panther, but the evil Black Panther.
Everybody
Michael B. Jordan.
good. Everybody good. So yes, me that smash it up. La. Smash. Yes, everybody good. What? You vex? You hurt? Oh.
I ain't gonna say. Go ahead.
What?
All right, your time. Go ahead.
The next one on my list is Tiny from Tamika Harris. You know who me talk? T.I. woman. Why? Why you not pass
I
that?
don't even have to say.
Why?
Come on now.
Me not think T.I. would appreciate
I mean,
you
she
saying that.
cool, but she ain't cute. I'm tell you that.
You know,
She
say that
cool.
people
She
in
ain't
that man as in hear him.
cute. She
Me
cool.
Nobody talk too
She
much about the
cool.
woman, the man, woman.
She ain't cute.
Whatever.
Mhm.
Your turn.
All right, yours. The next one's gonna be. Oh, it's hard for me to say his name. Keanu Reeves from The Matrix. You know the guy who play. You know Keanu Reeves.
I know him. You want to know? I like him kind of bad man, not sure, but I still pass.
He dope though.
Yeah, I like him. I like him sure there, but I don't like him for doing.
Okay.
Wouldn't smash him. Him not cute. The
Last
next one
Last one.
is Remy Ma.
Okay. Who is that?
I think as yeah.
I don't know who she is, but she going to Pound Town. Pound Town.
You just have to smash everybody, so
I
me not like that.
No, it's not everybody.
everybody,
I said no to Missy.
Everybody.
Elliott. I said no to Missy Elliott.
whatever.
Go ahead.
My earth. Come, yearns.
All right, your last one is going to be Matt Cook from If Loving You Is Wrong.
How would that?
Matt Cook. The one you said look like me.
Really?
So I
You
want to
pick
know.
him?
Mm-hmm.
Really? So that must,
Yeah.
I want you, I want, smash! I want him, and him favor you? A joke you make. That's not a question.
I don't think we look alike. But if you guys think we
People,
look alike,
them look
comment
alike.
below.
Them
Let me
look
know.
alike. Yes. And him body good too. What? Talk to me now.
he's skinny.
Smack and
This right here.
smash.
Over 200 pounds.
Smash.
He about a good.
Hold smash! Smash. See that? Wally pass smashings. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And blow up the comment section. Let us know what you think about this video.
Most definitely. You guys stay safe out there with this coronavirus running around trying to get you.
But on a serious note though, really stay safe guys. Remember for wearing the gloves and the mask, sanitize daily, and just, you know, take the proper precautions and keep safe out there.
keep you safe out there.
Thank you guys.